Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by plugging it to a charger. Once you plug the watch to the charger, it will turn on automatically. And after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the GARMIN Connect application on the phone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on search and type in GARMIN Connect and then tap on search. You should see this application on the list, GARMIN Connect by Garmin. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on create account button right here to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, check the box, and tap next, and then enter the email and password to log in. Okay, then we can tap on next. And after you log in, your app probably will start looking for the nearby devices automatically. But before that, you will need to allow the permissions. So tap on allow access, tap on allow, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch automatically. If it doesn't, let's wake up the screen on our watch, then tap on browse all compatible devices. Let's find the Vivo category, find the Vivomove Luxe and tap on it to select it, and should start searching for the watch, and it should detect it. If it doesn't, maybe we need to basically factory reset the watch, but actually it detected our watch, so we can tap on connect it, tap on allow, enter the code from our watch, tap on OK, hit tap on next, and right here we can set up the bedtime. Basically, you can set the time on which you go to bed and which you wake up, and this is useful if you want to use a do not disturb mode during sleep. Basically mute all of the notifications while you're sleeping. And to set the bedtime, tap on bedtime, change the time to your liking, then tap on wake time, change the time to your liking, and once you're done, tap on next. And if you want to turn on the do not disturb mode during sleep, tap on yes. If you want to keep it disabled, tap on no. Here select the preferred wrist, tap next, select the preferred watch face, tap next. Right here we can edit the goals for our health features like steps and stuff like that. So if you want to edit the goals, tap on edit goals. If you want to keep the default ones, tap on keep default goals. And if you edit the goals, you will be able basically to change the values to your liking by tapping on the box and editing the value like that. And once you're done, of course, you can tap on next. Right here we can allow the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip to skip this step. If you want to use the notifications, tap on allow and allow. Next we have the location. This is useful if you want to track your activities on the map, something like running, cycling and stuff like that. And maybe the weather, basically anything that requires location. If you want to use those features, tap on allow location access. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. And if you tap on allow location access, it will direct you to this page, to the app info. You need to tap on permissions, find the location, tap on it, and tap on allow while using the app or allow all the time. If you allow only while using the app will bother you about it because it wants the access all the time. But if you don't want to, you can keep it on allow while only using the app. Next we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to see see and access the events on your calendar. So if you want to see stuff from your calendar on your watch, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Then we have the call log access. This is useful if you want to access or rather see, for example, who's calling you on your phone and stuff like that. This is for the notifications and other stuff like this. If you want to use this feature, tap on allow. If you don't care, tap on skip. Same for the phone call access. You can allow it or skip it. Messages, you can allow it or skip it. And once you're done with the permissions, you will see this page. Tap on sync now. Finish. Then you can go through the tutorial. I'm gonna tap on skip, finish. And you should see the My Day page, basically the home page of the app. You can tap on more, Garmin devices. And here you will see your watch, Vivomove Luxe. You can tap on it to open the device page. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.